In this video, you will learn how to add glitch, and welcome to Simple Adobe. First, select Razor tool and cut video in 2 or 3 little parts where you want to add glitch. Then make copy of video parts. Press and hold Alt Tab and drag clip parts on upper layer. Go to Effects Control and decrease the opacity of clip up to 50% and reposition the clip little bit to the left or right, and do the same thing with other 2 clips. This will add some blurry effect to video. Then open Lumetri Color and mess with colors of upper clips. Make sure color of upper clips have a lot of difference than main video. After adjusting colors, add glitch audio effect. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.